5 creative spice storage ideas. 1. Magnetic mason jars. Those spices don't take up much room, they could if you got loads of them. One way you can save your spices without having to worry about needing more space is to make storages using magnetic mason jars. You literally only need some small mason jars, a metal bracket and some really strong magnets, and voila! You got yourself a cool storage to stash your spices. 2. Totally awesome sliding rack. If you want a large spice storage but still want to be thrifty, then you don't need to worry. We have the perfect solution for you. This one uses the little gap between your oven and the cabinets. Make sure you take the right measurements that will fit the gap. Add 2 dowel sticks to each rack to keep the spices visible and safe, and you can paint the wood parts any color you like. Hang your sliding rack on the top of countertop and leave a slight gap above the floor. You might want to add a handle too for easier access. This spice storage idea probably needs the most work, but it's totally worth it. There is enough space for at least 40 standard size spice bottles. 3. Hang your jars. Add a new look in your kitchen by hanging your spices and herbs on the wall. Nails and wire ropes are pretty much all you need for this. Simply wrap wire ropes on your jars and hang them on the nails you've set into the wall. You can also use adhesive wall hooks. If you happen to have a white wall, you can cover your jars in white wrappings to add an aesthetic element. Just remember to add a label on each jar so you can quickly find the flavor for your mac and cheese. 4. Going vintage with a Coke crate. Repurpose your old Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper crate as your spice storage. Simply turn it on its side and adhere it to a wall with brackets. What's more interesting is that the bottle compartments are just the right size for your jars. It has enough space for about 24 jars for your spices and herbs. In addition, there's still more space to place your jars on top of the crate. Don't forget to label each lid so you can easily spot your oregano. 5. Handy shower caddy. Who says shower caddy is only useful to put your shampoos and soaps? If you are okay with stashing your shower items beside the bathtub, you can repurpose your shower caddy as your spice storage. Attach it to a wall or on the back of your pantry door with a bracket, and there you go. You got yourself a new storage for your herbs and spices.